Media Globe Campus. Education and training for physicians, assistants, and medical device consultants. Endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography. Discipline: endoscopic sphincterotomy using a triple lumen standard sphincterotome. After previous probing and cannulation using an ERCP catheter, this catheter is now removed via the guide wire that is already in place. The sphincterotome to be inserted is handed, and the relevant dimensions and the sterility expiry date on the label are being compared with the label on the pouch. In this demonstration, we use a triple lumen guide wire compatible sphincterotome with a tapered tip and a cutting length of 30 millimeters. After data comparison, the sphincterotome is removed from the sterile packaging by the assistant. Before application, the assistant pulls out the shape stabilizer, which is integrated in the tip of the sphincterotome. This is followed by a mechanical function test. The assistant threads the already lying guide wire proximally into the distal sphincterotome tip and pushes it through the guide wire lumen until it emerges proximally from the sphincterotome. The examiner then carefully inserts the sphincterotome into the working channel of the duodenoscope until the tip of the sphincterotome can pass through the papilla without resistance, and in the 11 o'clock direction by skillfully directing it using the Alberon lever on the duodenoscope. In preparation for the planned sphincterotomy, the high-frequency cable is handed over and connected to the connector on the handle of the sphincterotome. The papillary roof can now be split precisely under visual control using HF current. The assistant gently pulls back the finger slide on the handle, while the examiner applies targeted HF pulses to the cutting wire of the sphincterotome by using the pedal. After completing the incision, the sphincterotome is disconnected from the high-frequency generator and can now be slowly guided out of the working channel of the duodenoscope in a distal direction. As the guide wire serves as a navigational aid for further instruments, the examiner stabilizes its position during the removal of the sphincterotome. You saw a demonstration on endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography. Discipline: endoscopic sphincterotomy using a triple lumen standard sphincterotome. Please also watch our further demonstration films about ERCP, focusing on probing and cannulation using an ERCP catheter, stone extraction using a stone extraction balloon, stone extraction using a stone extraction basket, biliary stent placement using a stent placement set.